Hello and welcome to Grizzly Greg, the honey-loving bear. And there he is right there. He's looking over for some more honey that he can scarf down on, my friends. Hey, this is an on-your-own problem, so you should have solved the entire problem on your own, and now you're watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly. Without further ado, let us move on to our scenario. Grizzly Greg is a honey-loving bear. Today, Grizzly Greg ate 8 times the quantity of a number times 3 plus 8 of ounces of honey from a birch tree hive. Then, he ate 3 less than 21 times a number of ounces from an oak tree hive. Let X stand for the ounces of honey. How much honey did Grizzly Greg, the honey-loving bear, eat? And your challenge is to first write an expression and then simplify that expression. Alrighty, so the very first thing you should have done was actually copy the entire little paragraph here about our friend little Grizzly Greg here, right? And then the next thing is that you should have highlighted the words that are going to create the expression. So here you should have 8 times the quantity of a number times 3 plus 8. And then I like to do the then because that's really like a plus. And then 3 less than 21 times a number. And then I like to highlight X because wherever you have a number, like right there and there, you will represent it with X. So that's the first thing you should have done. And then you should have created your expression. I'm going to make a little room right here so I can do that. And right here we have it, my friends. If you look up here, you got 8 times the quantity of a number. So here's 8 times the quantity of a number. And then here's the number times 3. So we've got X as the number times 3, a number times 3, and then plus 8, plus 8. So the first part is 8 times the quantity of 3 times x plus 8, or 3x plus 8. And then for the then, I added the plus, and then it's 3 less than 21 times a number. So we have 21 times x, or 21x, and then minus 3, which is the same as 3 less than, right? So 3 less than is like minus 3, and then you got 21 times a number, 21x. So the whole expression is 8 times the quantity of 3x plus 8, and then you're going to add 21x minus 3. The next thing you would need to do is use the distributive property to simplify this. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to distribute the 8 across the 3x and then across the 8, okay? And then we'll just drop the rest of this. So let's go ahead and make a little bit more room. And I will do this in blue. So here we go. 8 times 3x is going to give you 8 times 3 is 24. So you got 24x. And then you just drop the plus sign here, right? And then 8 times 8 is going to give you a 64. So drop the 64. And then you're going to just drop the rest of the equation. The plus 21x minus 3. Bam! Right there you have it, my friends. 24x plus 64 plus 21x minus 3. The next step is to go ahead and color or highlight your like terms. And I'm going to start here with the 24x, and that's representing a x, right? And now over here I've got 21x. So these are my 2 x's, or my 2 like terms that are variables. And then I'm going to use green to do my numbers. I got 64 here, and I've got a minus 3 here, right? So now when I start to combine them, I've got 24 plus 21. So that's going to give me 45. So I'll go ahead and drop the 45, and that's x. And then I got to add in my like terms for the numbers. So 64 minus 3 is going to give me 61. So I'll drop the 61 right there. And lo and behold, my friends, 45x plus 61 is your simplified answer for this little problem here with Grizzly Greg. So, how much honey did Grizzly Greg, the honey-loving bear, eat? Well, he had 45 eggs plus 61 ounces of honey. Ba-ba-bam! There you have it. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.